BambooHR for beginners. Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you step by step how to use BambooHR for beginners. BambooHR is one of the most popular HR software solutions for small and mid-sized businesses. BambooHR stands out because it makes people management simple and intuitive, from tracking employee data and managing time off to onboard new hires and generating powerful HR reports. It's cloud-based, easy to use, and helps HR teams save time so they can focus on more people and not on paperwork. So the first thing you need to do is go onto your browser and search for BambooHR.com and then click search. Then from here it should be looking something like this. And here you can see that you'll have the option to log in and try it for free. And if you want to try it for free, you'll get 7 days free trial on BambooHR before you need to adjust to a plan. So let's create an account. And to do that, you simply need to click try it free up here. Then from here, you'll come into this page where you can log in and put in your initials. You'll need to write in your first name, your last name, your work email, your job title, your company name, your phone number, and your employee count. Also, where are you from? Then from here, you can get free trial, and then it should write please wait. Then from here, BambooHR will ask you about your domain name, and you can just write in what you want and then add your password. Then from here, you need to click I agree to the terms and conditions and create your account. Then from here, you can schedule a free tour, meaning that a Bamboo employee will guide you through how BambooHR looks like and how you can use their software. You can also watch this 1 minute long video over here if you want to do that, but you just need to wait until the loading account has been completed and click we are ready once it's complete. Then from here you need to log into your account again and click login. Then from here you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions, click continue, and then yes, trust this browser. Then from here you need to personalize your account, and that can take 1 to 2 minutes. Here you can add in your company domain, or you can rather upload your logo yourself and just add a picture and click next. Then from here you can customize the look and how it feels, or you can customize the color of BambooHR. Once you've done that, you need to click next, like so. Then from here you can select what Bamboo should do for you. Just select all and start exploring. Then from here, it should look something like this. And let me give you a quick tour of how BambooHR is looking like. As you can see up here, you'll have your 7-day free trial, and you'll need to call this number to sign up. Then from here, you need to go to expand menu to see all of the options you'll have right out of the gate on BambooHR. You can see up here, you have a home tab where you'll be able to create new employees and new reports. You can add my info down here where you'll see all of your information on the company. Down here in the people, you can see all of the employees inside of BambooHR. Down in hiring, you can create a job opening if you want to do that. You can go down to reports and create reports. You can add files, create a signature file or upload files, and compensation down here where you can add compensation benchmarks if you want to do that. Then up here, there's also a settings tab. When you click on the settings tab up in the right hand corner, you will get a bunch of other kinds of stuff that you need to do. You can add the billing address, of course. You can add approvals. You can add access levels, employee fields, apps, benefits, compensations, custom fields and table, email alerts, employee communities, employee satisfaction, and a bunch of other stuff down here. You'll also be able to add in a training for your employees. So now let's create an employee. And to do that, you simply need to go over to the home page and click on the create new. Then from here, you'll see a new employee down here. Once you've done that, you can see here, you can add anyway. Then from here, you can add in a hire packet if you want to do that, where a compensation field will be visible. Then from here, you can add in the personal, where you can add an employee number. You can add a first name, a middle name, and a last name. You can also add a preferred name if you want to do that. Down here in the compensation or hire packet, you can select the pay type, where you can select every other week, monthly, or twice a month. You can add a pay type, either hourly, commission-based, which is pretty self-explanatory, and you can add the pay rates. Down here, you can also add the contact information, like work phone, work email, and the home email. Down here, you can also add when this employee was hired, so let's just say today, and you can add the employment status, either contractor, full-time, full lodge, part-time, or you can add your own custom felt down here. You can also down in job options select the job title title, reports to, department, division, and location inside of BambooHR. Down here you'll also be able to self-service access, meaning that you can allow access to BambooHR where the employee can access BambooHR from their own specific computer, or you can add no access down here if you want to do that. Then from here you can click save, and once you click saved, you can see up here that you have created a new employee. Here you can see a bunch of different things, and you can change request over here if you want to do that. You can also delete it by in termination employment, or delete employee if you want to do that. You can download forms from this employee, and now let me show you how to create a report. And that is also super easy. So the first thing you need to do is go to the home page again and click new and then new report. Then it's going to look something like this, where you can add a report name, and down here you can choose the fields that you want to have in this specific report. So let's say hire date and effective dates. Then you can add a filter result where you can show either all employees or only some employees in your department. Then you can sort result, where you can add last name and first name and A to Z, and add another sort if you want to do that. And you can delete it by clicking on this X over here. Here you can add a group by either none, last name, first name, hire date, or effective date. Then from here you can just click save, and then from here the report has been saved and created. Here you can see all of the specific data from this report. So now let me show you how to create a job opening, and that is also super easy to do. The first thing you need to do is go on to the hiring page over here in the menu. Then from here you'll see this new job opening. Once you click on that, you'll get this page right here where you can add in the job information, where you can add the posting title, you can add a job status where you can either add it to draft, open, on hold, filled, or cancelled. You can see over here, if you select open, you'll post this job on the BambooHR careers and other job boards. You can also add hiring leads, where you can select all of your employees that is going to hire this person and add the department. Then you can add an employment type, either contractor, full-time, furloughed, part-time, or terminated. Let's just click full-time, minimum experience, either entry-level, mid-level experience, and let's give them $10 per hour for experience. Then from here you can add a job location where you can either add on-site, hybrid, or 100% remote. Here you can also add location. Down here you can add the job description. I can also add files or links into the job description if you want to do that. And down here you can add an infernal job code if you want to do that. Then from here you can click next step, and then you'll have the application details where you can add the resume, the address, LinkedIn URL, and any other questions that you might want to give the new employee. Then you can add a job pipeline where you can add up here, and then you can add steps for this specific pipeline. Then you can add automated emails, and this means that when a candidate has sent their resume to you, they'll get an automated email that you have received this specific email. And down here on the job boards, you can connect with LinkedIn, Indeed, or Glassdoor, or ZipRecruiter down here to post this specific job opening. But from here, you'll just need to save job. Then you can see all of the candidates that will come in eventually. You'll see the hiring lead and the status, and then how many days it has been open. And that is pretty much it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!